के बाद एपिसोड 2 में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है और आज की नॉट सो ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है द बेकहम फैमिली कलेश.
Yep. Yeah, we're talking about Posh and David Beckham. I mean, we've spent our entire childhood and our preteen years raving about them.
Absolutely. I mean, like the entire childhood, मैं तो भाई Spice Girls के गाने सुन के बड़ी हुई हूँ. And David Beckham, I mean, like with his crazy new hairstyles, it was always amazing. And to see
Posh was posh. I mean, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge energy one side, लेकिन real life में they were the it couple for us, you know. They made us wonder that ऐसा वाली love story चाहिए.
Their love story, the way they fell in love, they got married, and the way they had Brooklyn, it was just the it couple, like 100% it couple.
They were the dream couple, weren't they? Absolutely.
But जब ये news आई थी ना actually में the about Brooklyn going completely 100% on Instagram, I was like, oh my God, what's happening? And everyone actually jumped into it, started giving the family gyan. But I was actually not quite surprised. Were you surprised as a Desi?
Well, as a Desi Bahu, I wasn't surprised. But here we were talking about Posh. I mean, I wasn't able to relate that Desi sass things with Posh. I mean, she fell from sass to sauce. And it was a true emotional atyachar, babe. Like, for me personally, I just couldn't imagine.
No, I completely get you because it's like har ghar ki kahani, like Kahani Ghar Ghar ki Ekta Kapoor serial. I was like, oh my God, I'm just looking at this. And imagine, you know, Victoria Beckham to Saas, you know. Can you imagine, you know, Victoria calling Brooklyn and says, "Beta, शादी के बाद तुमने मामा को तो phone call ही नहीं किया." I mean, like, this is
us. This is so hamara thing. Like, you know, like as Indians, I can totally understand the sass energy. I mean, that is what sasural is, right? Shadi for us is that like sass is like standard warranty with torture guarantee.
Trauma guarantee.
Sorry, let's just be politically correct. Trauma,
oh yeah. At least with trauma, you can go and get mental health. But sass comes with guaranteed trauma, for sure. I mean, like, yeah, that's true, but एक चीज और भी है ना, you know how in our households it's always like शादी दो दिलों का मिलन नहीं बेटा, दो families एक साथ आती हैं, and when you actually get married, at least in our families, you get an fully activated WhatsApp group.
Yeah, fully activated WhatsApp group, चाचा ताई, ये वाली बुआ वो वाली बुआ, सब कुछ. It's like हम साथ extended family version.
Very true. It's like and along with that comes a 24/7 surveillance, you know, कि बेटा उठ गए, खाना खाया, नहीं खाना खाया, कहीं गए थे, कहाँ घूमने गए थे, कहाँ जा रहे हो, बेटा कितने बजे सोए, कितने बजे
कब दे रहे हो.
Oh yeah, that is hot.
Good news.
From the very first day, like day one, say you are talking about good news. I mean, as if we are dying.
हमारे पास और कोई काम ही नहीं है जैसे.
But Desi Saas logic is kind of unmatched.
I agree. I mean, it's unhinged, it's unmatched, and it's everywhere, unapologetically, unabashedly, and it's ours. And seeing Posh in that light, it kind of hit me hard. You know, like, okay, but, you know, having said all of that, I just think that it has nothing to do with whether it was Posh or Beckham or Brooklyn thing. I think it's to do with this whole legacy that they are holding. They've got the eyes of the world on them. Don't you think so?
Oh, yes. If you actually deep dive into the entire family feud, the picture is very, very different. You know, the picture abhi baki hai, those kind of stuff. It's deep dive. And I think especially for people coming in from iconic families, legacy families, the burden is too big.
The Boj of Khandan ki izzat is real, people. I mean, seriously, like, it's everywhere. And I think that this is exactly what happened to them.
Yeah, I mean, if you're born into an iconic family, you know, you're not just living for yourself, you're living for your surname, you're living for your reputation, and absolutely your Khandan ki izzat, you're living for your brand. I mean, the pressure is crushing, honestly.
Exactly. From the jeans you wear to your bachcho ke jeans, everything is like scrutinized brutally. Don't you think so?
Absolutely.
Carrie ko le lo.
Harry Potter?
Harry Potter nahi yaar, Rajkumar Harry.
Oh yes, he's a classic example, you know, coming from royalty, power, privilege, legacy. But look what happened. He had to actually say buy to everything and choose himself and his mental health.
And Meghan.
We love you, Meghan.
We love you, Meghan. But then, yeah, he kind of
abandoned his legacy.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, but he did that. And closer home, look at Junior Bachchan, maybe?
Oh, yes, absolutely. I mean, I love him as an actor. He has got some amazing work under his belt. But no matter how much he does, no matter how much content he creates, he's always unabashedly compared with his father. I mean, his father
Papa jaisa nahi hai na, babe.
yeah.
Exactly, that Papa jaisa nahi hai has to hit hard. So that's what it happened. So yeah.
But you agree or don't agree, I mean, one thing is very, very clear. These kids, whether you take Harry or you take Junior Bachchan, for example, or even Brooklyn, they never got to be a person on their own. Like, never an individual. What do you think?
I'm sure that's what has happened there. And you know what? We hear a lot about our mother-in-laws or our older generation saying that, you know, we've gotten it easy. कि उनके ज़माने में बहुत अलग बातें थी, वैसी बातें थी. But यार, having said all of that, maybe उनके ज़माने में बातें अलग थी, पर वो तब बहुत ही अब सास है, तो अब मतलब they don't get the right of, you know,
Putting the child down.
And it's like torture max.
But I really want to be even empathetic towards the Saas, because at the end of the day, they never got a chance to talk about themselves, talk about what they wanted, what they didn't want. And as millennials, we are trying to break that mold, you know. We are trying to break how a bahu should act, how a bahu should play the role. And I am hoping that as moms and as parents also, we're trying to do the same, break the mold. There is no blueprint for us.
Yeah, we don't have blueprint for parenting. We are making our own
rules as we go.
Yeah, and that is what is needed. Blueprint of how to be a SARS. Yeah, why not? That is what we're going to be creating.
And this video is getting recorded, and I hope my future Nicola Bahu doesn't see this and say that, you know, you were the...
And everything is on screen, babe. It's all camera. It's all... They can dig onto us. Like, we don't want to be, Arey, mummy ji to waisi wali saas thi.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want her to come back again and say, ki, Mom, you were very different. What happened to you? Why have you become a saas? I don't want to be a saas.
Maybe this way, our digital footprint will keep our behavior in check.
But, I mean, if you look deeply into this issue, it's not just about iconic families and legacy, it's also about our kids.
Of course.
As parents, we have a responsibility towards them to give them roots, to give them foundation. But don't you think so, as parents, we find it hard to let go?
I do think that, and I totally understand that, you know, we have this whole thing of letting go, but I think practice is what makes us perfect, and we need to practice this every single time and every single day. I think we need to keep ourselves reminding of they will grow up into individual entities at one point of time. They will have their own lives, their own families, and we will need to take a step back. And I just feel कि distance maintain करना disrespect नहीं होती है.
Yeah, I think sometimes it's important to talk about your own individuality, and to protect your mental peace, it's okay to have some distance. And I think a couple of days back you were talking about this invisible umbilical cord. I think we as parents need to let go of it. Support without control.
Cut it once we think kids are ready, and they will be there for us. I really think that should be it. Like, support without control, appreciations without agitations, don't you think so?
And PR without ownership.
Of course. Well, on that note, I think we have dissected Posh and Bex and the...
And we strongly believe that कभी-कभी बच्चों को safe feel कराने के लिए थोड़ा distance maintain करना ज़रूरी है.
थोड़ा नहीं, काफी आजकल के टाइम में तो. But yeah, let's start with थोड़ा and we'll build up on that.
And legacy जो crush करे is not a legacy, it's actually a burden, and we really need to understand that खानदान की इज्जत आपके बच्चों से ज़्यादा important नहीं है.
Exactly, and उन्हें अपने wings choose करना उनका GS से होता है.
And if you really don't know what GS is, it's Jan Siddhadikar, their birthright. And as parents, it's our responsibility to give them that ecosystem and environment where they flourish and grow and become their own human beings.
Exactly. And in that way, I think that is what revolutionizing the SARS image would be for our cultures.
At least for us it would be. And that brings us to the end of Mom Ki Baat, episode 2, from one mom to
another. Bahu hit mein jari, guys.
Thank you for watching.